Step into every room with confidence. Our moissanite flower earrings radiate fire and brilliance from every angle, giving you that rich, sophisticated look without the heavy price tag. Perfect for weddings, date nights, and everyday glam.
Aisha Ochoa.
Timeless sparkle, modern confidence. Elevate your everyday glow with our premium moissanite earrings, crafted to shine brighter than ordinary diamonds. Designed for the modern woman who loves elegance without compromise, these earrings deliver unmatched brilliance, durability and luxury at an irresistible value.
Step into every room with confidence. Our moissanite earrings radiate fire and brilliance from every angle, giving you that rich, sophisticated look without the heavy price tag. Perfect for weddings, date nights, and everyday glam. Enjoy the brilliance of diamonds with the strength and ethical advantage of moissanite. This bracelet is lightweight, skin-friendly, and built to maintain its sparkle for years. A timeless investment in your personal style.
Aisha Ochoa.
Get the diamond look with superior sparkle. Our moissanite earrings are ethically sourced, durable, and crafted to maintain their brilliance for years. It's not just jewelry, it's a smart investment in timeless beauty. Crafted for women who appreciate fine details, this moissanite bracelet features precision-cut stones that radiate fire from every angle. It's not just jewelry, it's confidence wrapped around your wrist. Why wait for a special occasion? These moissanite earrings are designed to sparkle effortlessly from day to night. Lightweight, hypoallergenic, and crafted for lasting beauty, they're your new go-to statement piece.
You can get the customizable envelope necklace, write what you want, the cute way you want it, and also get every other thing we posted in the package, like this customized bottle of champagne. So let's redo this box. You get the card for your love notes, you get this cup of mixed chocolates, this fancy key holder, and then this envelope necklace that comes in gold, silver, and rose gold. Write what you want inside and outside. Best part, we have so many other designs of customizable jewelry, so if you don't like this one, hit us up and we'll flood you with other beautiful options. Then we pack it like this in this box and add all these gorgeous extras. The purple box goes in the bigger bag, and then we add a box of sweet chocolates to the package and our bouquet of flowers that come in a cute box. We also add our customized bottle of rosé. This one, you tell us what you want to write on it and we'll do just that.